The Mantis camera is the most powerful camera in the world. We took the best cameras we could get, 19 of them, and put them together. You'll be able to see everything all the time, everywhere, find out who did it and where they went. I'm looking for my friend Ming Hao here in the streets of Shanghai. We should be able to find him. We have a 100 megapixel super video camera. If somebody sneezes on the street, we're going to catch the sneeze.
I'm trying to hide myself from Brady in Shanghai, but, well, maybe he's watching me. The camera is really far away from us. You can see that on the rooftop of that building.
Is that him? No, that's not him either. My group and I have been working on this camera technology for about 20 years. We spent $20 to $30 million.
Is he watching me? It will be hard for him to find me.
I need to write better algorithms to find these guys.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I got you.
Can you see me? I'm jumping and waving my hands. That's really cool. Really good.
The camera did great, but the person kind of broke down. Took a lot more data than I could analyze myself, but I found Ming Hao in the end. So in public security, usually something bad happens, you go look at the security footage and the image quality is just not very good. The Mantis camera allows us to zoom into any point in an image. If you have a large crowd, let's say at a stadium, you should be able to zoom in and identify anyone in the crowd. They do use it in China to find criminals, people they're looking for. If there's an attack and you're interested in what happened after the attack, you can track where people went. The reason that I'm in China is because this is where I need to be to build these cameras. Camera companies like or GoPro, their hardware is all manufactured in China. And you can't really make a lens that would make a high quality image over a very large sensor. So the Mantis camera has 19 micro cameras. The main challenge in putting all 19 images together in the Mantis camera is just the massive data load that's required to process all that data. So we've embedded a supercomputer inside the camera that can do real-time video analytics. We have 2 of these boards, each with 5 computers inside of it, so it can process the data stream coming from the parallel camera array and then out to the wide world broadcast. You know, there's this famous scene in Blade Runner where Harrison Ford says, zoom, zoom, zoom.
Enhance. Start.
At that time the movie came out, it was strange to see an actor talking to a computer, but now that's commonplace. So this ability to zoom into an image indefinitely is something that hasn't existed, that we're trying to build. That over the next 3 or 4 years, we believe we'll be able to make gigapixel scale cameras that will be, you know, around the size of a current GoPro, about 10 centimeter cubes. There's a lot of things in the world that are never seen that can be seen. How many birds are in the sky, what animals are around us, where people are, all these things we just don't know. So having a camera that can capture everything is going to change our life.